Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to learn a very useful phrasal verb, work out. Don't worry, it's easy to understand. Work out has two main meanings, and we'll look at both of them with simple examples. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use work out in your everyday English. Let's begin. The phrasal verb work out can be a little confusing because it has more than one meaning. But if you learn these two main meanings, you will be able to use it correctly in many situations. First, let's look at the first meaning. Work out means to exercise. It means to do physical activity to keep your body healthy and strong. Think about going to the gym, running, doing yoga, or playing sports. When you move your body to be healthy, you are working out. Let's see some simple examples. In the present simple tense, I work out at the gym 3 times a week. This means I go to the gym and exercise 3 times every week. In the present continuous tense, she is working out right now. This means that she is exercising at this moment. Maybe she is running on a treadmill or doing some stretches. In the past simple tense, we worked out yesterday. This means yesterday, we exercised together. Maybe we went for a run or did some exercises at home. After working out, people often feel tired but happy. Here's a helpful tip. Workout can also be written as one word with no space. When it's one word workout, it is a noun. For example, I had a great workout today. Here, workout means the session of exercise, so workout as 2 words is the verb, and workout as 1 word is the noun. Now let's look at the second meaning. Work out can also mean to succeed or to solve a problem. When something works out, it means it has a good result, or you find a solution to a problem. Imagine you have a plan and you want it to be successful. You hope everything will work out. Let's look at some simple examples. In the present simple tense, I hope the plan works out. This means I want the plan to be successful. I want everything to go well. In the past simple tense, everything worked out in the end. This means that after some problems, finally, everything was okay. Maybe 2 friends had a problem, but after talking, everything worked out, and they are happy again. In the future simple tense, don't worry, we will work out the details. This means we will solve the small problems or make a plan together. For example, maybe you are organizing a trip with a friend. You don't know all the details yet, but you say, don't worry, we will work out the details. This means you will find a solution together. Here's another helpful tip. This meaning is about results. If you have a problem, you can work it out. For example, we had an argument, but we worked it out. This means you solved the problem with the other person. Now let's do a quick review to help remember the 2 meanings. Work out can mean meaning 1, to exercise. For example, I work out every morning. This means every morning I do some exercise, like running or going to the gym. Meaning 2, to solve a problem or succeed. For example, I hope everything works out. This means I hope everything will be okay, or there will be a good result. Let's do a quick quiz together. I will give you a sentence, and you try to complete it. Complete the sentence. I need to go to the gym and... Take a few seconds to think. The answer is work out. So the full sentence is, I need to go to the gym and work out. Great job! Now you know the 2 main meanings of work out. Remember, you can use work out when you talk about exercising, and you can also use it when you talk about solving problems or hoping for good results. Try to use work out in your next conversation. For example, you can say, I work out every weekend, or I hope things work out for you. The more you use it, the easier it will become. Now let's practice together. Write a sentence in the comments using work out. Maybe you want to talk about exercise. I worked out with my friend yesterday. Or maybe you want to talk about solving a problem. We had a problem, but we worked it out. Let's help each other learn. Practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you want more easy English lessons, remember to subscribe for more videos. Each lesson will help you learn new words and phrases, so your English will get better and better every day. You did a great job. Keep practicing and soon you will feel more confident using workout in your speaking and writing. Remember, practice, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and have fun with English. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.